Everybody will have the right cartridges.
It's fine. In the meantime, I can like start introducing.
Yeah, actually, if there's anything you can talk about now, that would be great.
Okay, perfect. So, 皆さん、こんにちは。はじめまして、ガオと申します。20歳のコロンビア人です。これから英語でプロジェクトの面接をします。Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Gabriel. I'm a 20 years old Colombian. From now on, I will explain the project. So the main purpose of my project is show the judges and the audience the power that computer vision has and that can be used in everyday technology like our phones are. So I will show you a few examples of how I use this training technology and how I integrate it with my aroma shooter.
So Gabo, I'm going to now give you the floor.
Perfect, thank you. I'm not able yet to share my screen.
Okay, now you can.
Okay, perfect. Here we go. So here's my application, and the first example that I will show to everyone is the object recognition. So let me just switch to broadcast. Here we have everything working perfectly. So, okay, we came here and we have my camera. We have this little phrase here. Please look for an object to analyze. So as I was saying, my first example is going to be object recognition. In this case, I will be using a dice. And with machine learning model that I already create, I can get to trigger an action depending on which face was recognized. For example, I will try the face of the dice, the number 1 face in my camera. So I just put it here and start analyzing. It says probably dice number 1 is checking and it starts diffusing right now. So everyone should be getting some diffusion at this moment.
Yep, working for me.
Perfectly. So now I'm going to try with another one. Let's try with the number 4 face. Number 4 correctly. And it's diffusion, right? すごいでしょ? 魔法のように. So, okay, let's try something else. So this object recognition is just the start, like I will call it the first like surface layer of vision, computer vision that we can do. The next thing that we're gonna jump to is something, an object more biological, that in this case is a fruit. I bring a lemon with me, a little lemon, that is gonna be recognized by the model and is gonna spell the lemon scent to us. So I just set the lemon, recognize the lemon, and we're getting the lemon scent. Just as easy as that. And for my last example, I'm gonna use something more complex, that in this case is my hand. This is the main reason I call my project like that, on air control, because being able to just control my aroma shooter through my camera and this machine learning model and vision feels just like an air controller. So I set up different gestures. In this case, I'm just gonna use the palm close. It says hand close. It just recognizes it completely and is sending the scent. So where we can go with this technology? The options to develop different types of use cases are unlimited. For example, I was thinking of a game that helps persons that have impaired vision to learn what a fruit is, not only by the touch itself of the fruit, as we say with the lemon, but also by the smell of itself. So thank you everyone for the attention and see you around. Goseisho, arigatou gozaimashita.
Arigatou gozaimashita. Okay, very fast, great. So maybe we'll get back on track. Are there any super quick questions?
I understand that you have combined the image recognition controlling, gesture controlling to the aroma shooters. So do you think that air conditioners will need kind of a gesturing type of thing, or I really want to try to find out the real necessities that you want to solve.
Okay, so as I was saying a while ago, with vision we can solve like a lot of necessities. For the example, the case of the persons that have impaired visions, I was thinking other use cases, like for example, in a mall, like if I'm not wrong, Aroma Join have a application that works in a mall. So you can select a perfume, depends you want. So with the camera, we can detect the gender, the colors that is wearing, so we can suggest more other options.
I see. Thank you very much.
Okay, thank you very much.